Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where we dive into a cool web development tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bouncing ball animation just using HTML and CSS. Sound exciting, right? Let's get started. Alright, let's begin by setting up the basic structure. First we will create an HTML file and a CSS file. And then in the HTML file, all we need is a div with a class of ball. This will represent our ball. Okay, let's style the ball and create the animation in our CSS file. First, we will define the basic style for the ball. After that, here I have added a background color for the page and centered the ball using flexbox. For the ball, I gave it a fixed size, a bright color, and a circular shape using border radius. The key here is the animation property, which will handle the bouncing effect. Next comes the fun part, creating the bounce effect using CSS keyframes. In the keyframes rule, I define the animation. At 0% and 100%, the ball stays in its original position, and at 50%, it moves down by 300 pixels, simulating the bounce. The ease in out timing function makes the movement smooth. And that's it. Let's check out the result. Here's our bouncing ball in action. Pretty cool, right? So with just a few lines of HTML and CSS, you can create a visually appealing animation like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more web development tutorials. See you in the next video.